Sonia Jaggi, and I am a student of class 4 and section B. Today I am going to show you some science experiment which name is bubble inside a bubble. So let's get started. For it, we need a glass of water, 8 tablespoons, a straw, some sugar, and 2 tablespoons of wash. So first, we will take the glass, and now we are going to add some sugar. Remember to add only 1 tablespoon of sugar. So, next we have to mix the sugar. Now we are going to take our wash and add it. Now we are going to mix our mixture. Now we are going to take some more sugar and apply it to our table. Now we will scrub over it. We are going to take some water and apply it through. And now we need to add a straw inside our syrup. And now let's blow it. So now you can see there is a bubble inside our bubble. So 1 and there is a 2. So you can see